are cleaning stages. You got the 1 tank, the 2 tank, the 3 tank, the 4, and the 5th tank is a non-rinse chromate. Non-chromate is no chrome, which means it doesn't rinse. So the other allodyne and anodize and all the plating procedures, after they're done processing, they have to get rinsed. Well, a rinse stage, you have a cleaner phosphate, and then you have a water, and a final water, which that water goes through an RO system and gets filtered. On the back side of the 4th tank, the fresh water that's filtered comes back in brand new. The water that's pushed out of the filter that is still has soap in it, that goes all the way back to 1. So every tank is not being added to water-wise. It's only the first tank. Normally, tanks that go down the drain are added at every tank because they all go down the drain separately because they can't be mixed because they get diluted. That's why the closed loop is so valuable, because it's only going through 1 gallon a minute, and that's through evaporation. The other tanks are probably 5 gallons a minute, and they go down the drain.